Unity Day in Russia, is celebrated annually on November 4th. This holiday commemorates the popular uprising of 1612, which led to the expulsion of Polish-Lithuanian invaders from Moscow during the time of troubles. The event symbolizes the unity of the Russian people against foreign oppression. The holiday was officially established in 2005 and has since become a significant day for national pride and reflection. Unity Day encourages citizens to remember the importance of solidarity and cooperation among different ethnic groups and regions within Russia. It is a day to celebrate the rich cultural diversity of the country while emphasizing the strength that comes from unity. On this day, various events and activities take place across Russia. In Moscow, a large rally is often held on Red Square, where people gather to participate in concerts, performances, and speeches that highlight the theme of unity. Many regions also organize local festivities, including parades, exhibitions, and cultural programs that showcase traditional music, dance, and crafts. Unity Day serves as a reminder of the importance of coming together as a nation, regardless of differences. It is not only a time to celebrate historical events, but also an opportunity for Russians to reflect on their shared values and aspiration for the future. The holiday fosters a sense of belonging and national identity, making it a cherished occasion for many people across the country.